Hello dear students. Today we are going to start our fifth chapter, that is algebraic expressions. It is chapter number 5. So here we will see what are the algebraic expressions and how we can solve the given algebraic expressions. So first of all, I want to inform you how the algebraic expressions are. It is the combination of a number and a letter. Numbers are called as constants and letters are called as variables. Okay. Why it is called constant? Because 2 is always 2. Value of 2 is always fixed. It does not change. But x value may vary equation to equation. As you will solve the equation, you will get the value of x, and it may be different if the equations are different. So they are called as variables and the numbers are called as constants. Coefficients also I will tell you. Whatever number attached to it. Suppose I ask you what is the coefficient of x. So you will say that it is 2. And if I ask you what will be the coefficient of 2, so you will say that it is x. So coefficients, constants and variables. So algebraic expression is the combination of a letter and a number. Now look at here. 2x square plus 3x plus 4. So we can see that here two combinations, x square and 3x. Okay, so it is having two terms. Constant terms we are not counting. So constant terms we need not to count. So there are two expressions. If it is only 2x as this one, so it is called as one term. 2x square plus 4y plus 3z. So it is having three terms, you can see. Algebraic expressions containing only one term is called as monomial. Okay. Algebraic terms containing two terms, algebraic expressions containing two terms called as binomial. And algebraic terms containing more than two are polynomial or trinomial, you can also say. Okay, polynomials. Polynomials. So this is the introduction part. What are the algebraic expressions and what are the terms, coefficients, constants, variables? These all things are like that. Hope you have understood. So first of all, there are four mathematical operations which we want to know. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first of all, we will start with the addition of algebraic expressions. You can see that. How to add any algebraic expressions. But before that, I want to tell you that like terms and unlike terms. Suppose we have an algebraic expression 2x square plus 4y plus x square plus y plus z. Okay, this is suppose one algebraic expression 2x square plus 4y plus x square plus y plus z. Okay, so here we supposed to find the like terms. Like terms we can find on the basis of the variables given. Okay, suppose here it is x square. Try to find if there is any other x square also. Yes, we have found it here. So it is 2x square and plus x square. So it will be 2x square plus x square. Okay, we can add also. It is 4y and it is y plus y and y. So same term, like terms they are called. 4y plus y plus there is no other z, only this one z. 2x square plus x square is equal to 3x square. 4y plus y is equal to 5y plus z. So we have to identify first of all the like terms, and if there is possibility to add them or subtract them, we are supposed to do it further. So look at here, like that we have to adjust and we have to do. So addition we are going to start. Exercise 5A. 5A, you can see. Answer whether each of the following expression is polynomial or not. So you have to see whether it is polynomial. Terms you have to see, count, and if it is polynomial, you can mention only in the book itself. Identify each polynomial as monomial, binomial, trinomial, or as neither of these. So as I told you, if it has two terms, it is binomial. If three terms, then trinomial. If single term, then it is called as monomial expression. So you can identify very easily. You can see that. Pick out the terms of each polynomial. AB plus AC plus 3AB plus 3AC. So terms we have to find. Let us see that. Third question, first one. Question number 3, part A. AB plus AC plus 3AB plus 3AC. So like terms are AB, 3AB, okay? AB and 3AB and AC and 3AC, okay? So like term we can find like that, okay? You can solve. Other questions are also like that. XYZ plus X square, YZ cube. So you can see if it is that variables are same. If it is X square, we are getting X square also. So it is called as like expressions, like terms. Now come to the fourth question. From here we have to solve. Fourth A part. You have to simplify 15B plus 8B. Okay. Look at here. It is also B and it is also B. So numbers we have to add and write together. 15 plus 8. 8B. That is 23B. And it is your answer. Okay. C part. 5x square plus 8x plus 7 plus 9x square minus 2x plus 12. Okay, minus 12 it is. Minus 12. So first of all we have to identify the like terms. 5x square and 9x square. So write it 5 plus 9x square plus 8x minus 2x plus 8 minus 2 into x plus 7 minus 12 plus 7 minus 12. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14x square plus 8 minus 2, 6x plus 7 minus 12. Answer will be in minus. Okay, so this is your answer. Like that you have to adjust and you have to solve. Question number 5A part you can see. 5A. You have to simplify 3x plus 4. Okay. And 7x minus 4. You have to add. The addition, put the sign. Look at here. It is plus 4 and it is minus 4. Sorry, minus 1 it is. Okay. So you can see 4 minus 1, that is 3, and 3x plus 7x is equal to 10x plus 3. This is our answer. Okay. Question number 6, A part. You have to subtract. Subtraction we have to change little bit. 7y square plus 5x square 2y square minus 3x square. Okay, subtraction. So for subtraction the sign will be changed. positive will turn to negative and negative will turn to positive. First of all, you have to change and then you have to solve. So 5x square plus 3x square, you will get 8x square plus 7y minus 2y, 5y square. This is your answer. So this way you have to solve other questions also. And the same way, there is no change at all. Question number 7. The sum of the given polynomials and the difference of the given polynomials. Second from the first. So first one you can see. 7th A. First one. Okay. Question number 7A. First one. Minus 5x plus 9 and 2x plus 3. First you have to add and then you have to subtract. So addition will be minus 5x plus 9 plus 2x plus 3. Minus 5x, 5 and plus 2. Identify the terms. Plus 9 plus 3. Okay. Minus 5 and plus 2, minus 3x plus 12. Now subtraction. It is said subtract the second from the first. So second from the first means minus 5x plus 9 minus 2x plus 3. The sign will be changed inside. Minus 5x plus 9 minus 2x minus 3. So minus 5 minus 2x plus 9 minus 3 is equal to minus 7x plus 6. This is the answer. Solve other questions also the same way, and I don't think that there will be any problem. If there is any problem, you can discuss with me in the live classes. Thank you.